The top 5 best smart locks for modern home security. Elevate your home's security with the latest advancements in smart lock technology. In this review, we will explore 5 exceptional smart locks: the Ultraloq Ubolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock, Wyze Lock, Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, Levelbolt Smart Lock, and UTech Ultralock Latch 5 Fingerprint. Each of these devices brings its own set of unique features, designed to enhance convenience and safety in your modern smart home. Whether it's advanced fingerprint recognition, remote control via Wi-Fi, or seamless integration into your existing door hardware, these smart locks offer a range of options to suit your home's security needs. Number 5. UTech Ultraloq Latch 5 Fingerprint. Explore the UTech Ultraloq Latch 5 Fingerprint Lock, a pinnacle of advanced security offering multiple access methods. This remarkable lock boasts fingerprint recognition, smartphone control, access codes, and even mechanical keys. The Ultraloq app empowers you to manage access remotely and stay informed with activity notifications. Versatile and adaptable, this lock is compatible with various door types, making it an ideal choice for those seeking comprehensive security solutions. Number 4. Levelbolt Smart Lock. The Levelbolt Smart Lock presents a discreet and minimalist approach to bolstering your smart home security. Crafted to seamlessly integrate within your current Deadbolt system, it preserves the aesthetic integrity of your door. Operating via Bluetooth connectivity, it offers effortless smartphone control and convenient keyless entry. This smart lock is the perfect selection for individuals who prioritize both aesthetics and simplicity in their home security solutions. Number 3. Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Introducing the Schlage Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, a seamless blend of style and cutting-edge security features. This innovative device comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, eliminating the requirement for additional bridges. Through the Schlage Home app, you gain effortless control and monitoring of access. Moreover, this smart lock supports voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it an exceptionally versatile choice for modern homeowners seeking both style and security. Number 2. Wyze Lock. Discover the Wyze Lock, your budget-friendly smart lock solution that prioritizes simplicity and functionality. This innovative device seamlessly replaces your existing Deadbolt and grants you smartphone control through the Wyze app. Experience the convenience of the lock automatically securing your door as you depart and effortlessly unlocking as you approach. For those who prefer traditional access, it also comes equipped with a physical key backup. Upgrade your home's security and simplify your daily life with the Wyze Lock. Number 1. Ultraloq Ubolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The Ultraloq Ubolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a versatile and feature-rich addition to your home's security. It offers advanced fingerprint recognition, ensuring a seamless and secure unlocking experience. With smartphone control, remote access, and the capability to share virtual keys with trusted individuals, this smart lock provides unmatched convenience. Installation is straightforward, as it is designed to fit most standard doors, making it a practical choice for enhancing your home's security.